Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Valentine's Day on Sunday. Yes, Sunday we don't have any newspaper, but this newspaper was yesterday, Saturday, February 13th, 2021. All the puzzles are solved. Only one puzzle left. Yeah, Sudoku with 1 star. I have solved 2 stars. 3 stars, 4 stars. This Tectonic with 4 stars. Binary number 2. One puzzle is left to solve, and this one is a Tectonic one. Tectonic with 1 star, and you should try this one. Alright, and this one will be number 2 3 2 8 2 3 2 8. Alright, so before I start, I always count the printed digits. The 1 star has a lot of printed digits: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Yes. Alright, the first strategy is to find the single box. I see here 2 single boxes. Single boxes, always a 1. It's always a 1. Dual boxes, do we see dual box? I see here dual box, here also dual box, dual box. 1 and a 2, it contains 1 and a 2. We see here 1, so this box cannot be a 1. This box should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Here also dual box 1 and a 2. I don't know in which order, so I mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. Triple boxes. Do we have a triple box? No. Right. So some shapes or some construction you need to know. That's easy for because some boxes are the same. For example, this box, if for this shape, this box is the same as that box. So I've marked those 1 and a 2. So this should be also 1 and a 2. It's the same as that box. Okay. Do we have more like this? Yeah, this is the same but rotated. So this box is the same as that box. Okay. Do we have more? Yeah, but in the opposite, so it's mirrored. So this box is the same as that box. Here also. So this box is the same as that box. Do we have more? Yeah, here. This box is the same as that box. We have a 1 here, so this should be a 1. Alright. Do we have more? No. Then the L construction or L shape. This box is the same as that box. Correct. Here, 1 1. Do we have more? Here, this box is the same as that box. L construction, no. Alright, so let's get started. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Aha, now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1. I've marked this box with 1 and a 2. So this should be a 2. And it's has the same number as this box, the 2. Alright, so 1 box left in this dual box for the 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. No. I made a mistake. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 4. That means this box is connected with that box, has the same number. This should be also a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. Alright, those two boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And it's connected with that box, so this should be also a 2. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. And then 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So it's 1 or 5, 1 or 5. And it's connected with that box, 1 or 5. I cannot place a 1 here because we have a 1 here. So it must be a 5. And it's connected with that box, so this should be a 5. Okay, so this box cannot be a 5, that box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. This box is connected with that box, so it must be also 3 or a 5. Alright. Those two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these two boxes. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box is also connected with that box. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 3. And it's connected with that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Also a 3. Okay, So this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair here. And the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 4. Alright, here we have 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. This should be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. But also this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box can also not be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. 2, 1, 4. We have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 here. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 4. 2 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Of course, I cannot place a 3 here because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5. This should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 2. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. All right. Great Tectonic. Yes, definitely a 1-star Tectonic. I like this one. I really do like this one. A quick. Yeah, let me. Yeah, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Monday. Have a great weekend. See you then. Bye bye.